Hey guys, welcome to another market outlook. This is for the week of November 18th. And start writing. So last week we had a very interesting week. We consolidated at these all-time highs over here and finally breaking out of that market structure on Thursday, following through on Friday. Huge flush. We were down over a percent and a half at close. Crazy bloodbath. We do have to note that it was global OPEC, so quarterly options expiration day, which probably affected the market a lot. Anyways, so looking at this market structure bias, we see the market break these highs and finding support at these lows. So we're still in a solid uptrend, really bullish engulfing candle on November 6th. This is during the Trump election win week. So we kind of pushed up, consolidating, now coming back to those higher highs and also more importantly, value area here, right? Consolidation is a lot of the time the value area. So we're gonna see um, what is gonna be happening in between this range of 850 and 913. I honestly, no bias. We can probably continue to the downside and test these lows, or we can find buyers in the market and create a new high from these from this level. Maybe some consolidation. Who knows? I don't know. All I know is upside is the right side on a uh, long-term perspective. So now let's take a look at the market TPO profile, showing us in more detail of that balance area. Okay, so I want to just okay, let me just take a screenshot here. So I can draw on it easily. Okay, so let's see. All right, so yeah, we see that candle I showed you guys up there, bullish engulfing candle acceptance. We see a distribution here at those all-time highs, acceptance upwards, and then last couple of trading sessions and days, we have just been trading sideways, as you can see, creating value at um, you can't see the price. Actually, you can at 660 and 580. So what happened the last 2 days is we broke out of these lows, and now we're starting to accept value. As you can see, lower and lower. We kind of tested this area, traded at these lows. People are interested in these prices. Why do I know that? Because of the amount of time spent. This is what a TPO chart can tell me, the time spent at price or in a range of prices. So we broke these lows and we're spending a good amount of time there. So we're probably gonna see some action between this level right here and this level over here. So as I showed you guys in the chart over here, that's this level, you know. So we're probably gonna just test these waters per se. Let's actually add a quick little volume profile. I had it saved. Visible range is this, okay. Uh, 500. Okay, so see, we're trading in between in between these value areas. So now we have low volume nodes right here at 583 and this is now 927 area, all the way up to like, so price really did not like, we didn't spend too much time here in this 5950 area. As you can see, we're probably going to revisit that area, but I don't know. We could also probably test this 578 area. Who knows? What I do know is that value is being accepted lower. So understand that we could go lower, but this can also be a good opportunity to start getting long on a investment side of things. Last thing I want to show you guys is the open interest for the ES for today, tonight. Let me put this a little bit. So we see right here, this is the option chain on the ES for Globex session. We see a good amount of calls and put speculators in the market. Big volume here at the 59.48 area and a 58.99. So market looks pretty balanced. There's an even distribution between sides. So we could see maybe a consolidation between this range. Also on the volume, you can see an even distribution between puts and calls. Um, we can probably see support at 58, 5900 and 5950 as market maker dealers have to hedge these big volume modes. So yeah, market is at a very interesting point. Okay, so I would play it as it is. Um, it's a good opportunity to buy that dip at resistance that now turns support. That's how a lot of chart traders are probably reading this as. So yeah, uh, keep in mind that we have big earnings this week, like Nvidia. So that is going to affect the market heavily. Um, let's see how the Nasdaq's doing. Yeah, same deal, right? You know, these markets move the same way. Up, now flush down. And Dow is the same thing. Okay. All right. Yeah. So market is in this sort of equal distribution for now. We're at a support zone that used to be resistance. We're entering value area. So we're probably going to see some price discovery as to what direction the market's going to take, especially after this rally. We really don't know if it was valid, if it was just buy the buy the news in this case. So the aftermath, I don't know. But yeah, just be cautious and it's going to be an interesting week. All right, guys.